Before, sir?
Build up from under the fence here until there. Demolished.
Magandang hapon guys. Ayan, hapon na ngayon guys. 2 PM guys. Ayan. Dito tayo ngayon guys sa pinaka-huge na kamsa-kamsa. Oh, a lot of stocks guys. Ayan, first time I came here. First time, and the price is so cheap. You look this one. It's only 11 real and the quality is good. Ayan. Ano ito guys? May takip pa siya guys. Yung lagyanan ng tinapay. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda. Ang ganda siya guys. Oh, it's only 11. May takip pa siya. Ayan. Ayan. First time I come to this area. A lot of things. Very huge. Ayan. Ang dami mo mabibili guys. Grabe. Lahat nandito guys. Lahat nandito na guys. Ayan. Ano ba ito? Dami mo mabibili dito guys. Oh. Grabe. Lahat dito dito na. Grabe, ang dami. Dami guys, dami. Ang dami mabibili dito guys. Oh. Ang mumura pa. 5.75. Ano ito? Cute siya guys. Oh, cute. Cute siya, cute. Ayan, may mga scissors. Ayan. 5.75 lang guys. Ayan. Ayan, kuha tayo ng isa guys. Ayan. Ito kunin natin. It's only 5 real. Ayan, kuha tayo. Ayan. Ang dami guys. Ang dami kang pagpipilian dito guys. Ayan. Pira lang ang wala guys. Ayan. Pinaka-huge. Ang dami. Ano ito? Tingnan natin. Chopsticks. Kutsilyo guys. Ayan. Kala ko chopstick. Ayan. Dami. Kutsara. Oh. Ayan. Gusto niyo yung kutsara na gold. Ayan. 3 pieces, 5 real guys. Ayan. 3 pieces, 5 real. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ayan, gusto nyo ng gold na kutsara, napunta kayo dito. Ayan, ang dami. Ito rin guys, oh, 5 real lang ito guys. Ayan. Cute siya, cute. Kaso ako, ang dami na akong kutsara guys. Ayan, 5 real lang ito guys, oh. Ayan, ito ay 5 real lang. Ayan, 5 real lang ito. Ayan. Ayan, oh, ayan ang presyo, 5 real. Ayan. Cute siya guys. Ayan. Cute siya, oh. Pwede ito pang regalo guys. Ayan, 5 real. Ayan, kaso ako mayroon na ako guys. Marami na akong kutsara. Ayan, dami. Ayan. Nandito siya. 5.75. Ang cute guys, oh. Ang cute ng kutsara. Ayan, 5.75 yan guys. 5.75. Dami. Ang dami. Ito, 6 pieces guys. O, 5.75. Ito, oh. Ayan. 5 pieces tayo guys. 5.75. Ganda ng kutsara guys. Oh, makapal. Makapal siya. Makapal na kutsara, oh. Hindi siya, hindi yung UUPN. Ang ganda ng quality. Ganda ng quality guys. Yan, napakagandang quality guys. Yan. Inshallah, pag balik ako dito. Ayan. 5 real lang to guys. 5 real. Ayan. Yan, napaka-huge. Ito na, na kamsa. Yan. Continue natin mamaya guys. Kasi maubos yung itong aking Ayan. Oh, see guys, here sabon. A lot of sabon. And upstairs is clothes. Clothes upstairs guys. Ayan. Punta tayo dito sa dulo. Maghanap tayo ng buhor. Ayan, napaka-huge ito guys. Akit tayo sa taas maya guys. Check natin kung anong mayroon. Ayan. Ito pa. Mga lotion. Lotion guys. Ayan, dami. Ang dami guys. Ito guys, mga kulay ng buhok. Ayan, pangpakulay. Pangpakulay ng buhok guys. Ayan. Ayan, marami dito guys. Ayan. Ayan, dami dito guys, madami. Ayan. Oh guys, here is all abaya here, but very nice. See this one. Yeah, for occasion. Ayan guys. Oh, nice. Beautiful yan. Very nice also this one. See, very nice. Yeah. For occasion. Also this one. Nice. Here upstairs guys. Ayan, all abaya here. Yeah, very nice. Huge. Very nice. Ayan. In one container, huh? Packet in one container. How much that one? A lot of sabon. Huh? 50 real. 50 real. In one bucket. I think 10 kilos. 5 kilos, 10 kilos. A lot of sabon. Guys.
Maybe 10 kilos.
Yeah, sabon. A lot of sabon here. And from up, going down, there is elevator. See? So nice here. A lot of sabon. Ariel. How much Ariel? 38. You know, Ariel is 38. See? How many kilos? 5 kilos. 5 kilos, guys. Ariel. A lot of sabon. Sabon. Huge. Napakalaki. Sobrang laki. First time ko to guys. Ayan, napakalaki. Ayan, sobrang laki talaga. Ayan. Nakabili ako ng abaya. Murang-mura lang guys. Ayan. Yung abaya ko guys. Oh. Guys, abaya. Ayan. Bagay, abaya ko yun guys. Ayan. Ganda ng abaya guys. Ayan. Ayan, napakalaki. May mga bisikleta pa dito guys. Oh. Ayan. Ayan, may mga bisikleta. Ayan, mga pang bata. Mayroon din pang malaki. Ayan, grabe guys. Yan. First time ko nakarating dito guys. Ayan. Hindi ko na video lahat guys kasi full storage na ako guys. Ayan. Here guys is grocery. Ayan, if you need something. Ayan. See here. No, we have oil. Yala. Come here. We have. See guys, here is a huge grocery. Complete.
See?
Oh my goodness. It's a complete here. Complete. They're complete.
Even this brand, I didn't see this brand outside.
See rice, there is also umbrella. All rice. This umbrella rice and complete. But it's very far, very far.
I like the one
This
for
place
the
is far.
along the one.
Ah, the one Masbate rice. Yeah, yeah. That's expensive, that one.
But no, I like the American rice. I think this one.
A lot of rice. Rice. Rice complete, guys. There is tuna. Tuna. Mas malaki pa ito sa ano, guys, sa World Smart. Mas malaki pa ito. Ayan, tuna. All tuna here, tuna. Ayan, tuna. Ayan. Puro tuna dito, guys. Grabe. There is elevator here going up. And side by side, there is an elevator. Ayan. So, complete. Ayan, meron dito ano. Kompleto, guys, dito. Kompleto. Dami guys, oh. Napaka-huge ito na ano, supermarket na kamsa-kamsa pala. Complete siya, complete.